Ever dreamt of pocketing cash while you sleep? Imagine turning your Amazon browsing into a gold mine. This is the realm of Amazon, where opportunities are vast and fortunes are made daily. From the casual seller to the Amazon affiliate, discover the secrets to unlocking Amazon's treasure trove. If you're going to play the Amazon game, you've got to know the rules and the plays. Dropshipping on Amazon. This isn't your typical Shopify dropshipping. On Amazon, you list products that you don't physically have. When someone orders, you purchase it from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. The catch? Amazon isn't a big fan of this, unless you ensure the products reach the customers on time and meet their quality standards. And remember, with Amazon's A to Z guarantee, the customer is always right. Arbitrage on Amazon. This is the treasure hunt. You're buying products from retail stores or other online marketplaces at a lower price, then selling them on Amazon at a markup. The Amazon Seller app can be your best friend here, helping you scan products and see potential profits. But be wary of gated brands and categories. Amazon has restrictions, and you don't want to get caught in that net. Wholesale on Amazon. Think big. You're buying products directly from manufacturers or large distributors, then listing them on Amazon. The advantage? You can get ungated for restricted brands if you can prove an authentic supplier relationship. The challenge? Convincing brands to let you sell their products, especially if they're already on Amazon. Private label on Amazon. This is where you build an empire. You're sourcing products, slapping your brand on them, and selling them as your own on Amazon. The key here is Amazon's brand registry. It gives you more control over your listings and protection against hijackers, but it's a long game. From product research, quality checks, to branding, it's all on you. So when you're staring at that screen, deciding which strategy to pick, ask yourself, what resources do I have? What's my risk tolerance? How involved do I want to be? Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please check out our other cool videos on this channel. When you're looking to sell on Amazon, the product you choose is paramount. First up, demand. Use tools like Amazon's bestseller rank, BSR, to gauge how well a product is selling. A lower BSR indicates higher sales. But remember, high demand can also mean high competition. Speaking of size, it's more than just physical dimensions. Consider the weight too. Products that are lightweight and compact often have lower shipping costs, which can significantly impact your profit margins. Now, about competition. It's crucial to analyze the number of reviews and ratings of top-selling products in your desired category. If the top products have thousands of reviews, it might be tough to break in. But if they only have a few hundred, there's potential. Lastly, niche selection. This is where you can truly differentiate yourself. Dive into Amazon subcategories, read forums, and understand customer pain points. Finding a niche with passionate followers can be a gold mine. In essence, selling on Amazon isn't just about listing a product. It's about understanding the market, analyzing data, and making informed decisions. Choose wisely, and the rewards can be substantial. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of making your Amazon journey a tad bit easier. Ever heard of Amazon Scout? If not, lean in, because this is a game changer. Amazon Scout isn't just another tool. It's like having a seasoned Amazon seller whispering in your ear, guiding you through the maze of product research. With its data-driven insights, you can spot potential gold mines in product niches that others might overlook. Here's how it works. You plug in a product idea, and Amazon Scout gives you the lowdown on its demand, competition, and profitability. No more guessing or shooting in the dark. This tool lays it all out, clear as day. But here's where it gets even better. With Amazon Scout, you're not just getting raw data, you're getting actionable insights. It'll tell you if a product's too competitive, if there's enough demand, or if the profit margins make sense. In the world of Amazon selling, information is power. And with Amazon Scout, you're not just powered up, you're supercharged. So if you're serious about making a mark on Amazon, this is the one tool you don't want to overlook. Let's shift gears a bit. You've got the tools, you've got the products, but what about the brand? Think about it. When you're shopping, do you go for the no-name stuff, or do you gravitate towards brands you recognize and trust? Bingo! Branding isn't just a fancy logo. It's about building trust and recognition. Now, on Amazon, this is where the magic happens. The Amazon Brand Registry. Not just a name on a list, but a powerhouse for sellers like you. Registering your brand gives you unparalleled control over your product listings. No more random sellers hijacking your listings or piggybacking on your hard-earned reputation. With the brand registry, you get access to enhanced content features. We're talking A+ content, videos, and a storefront that's all you. It's like rolling out the red carpet for your products. And the cherry on top? Protection. Amazon's got your back, ensuring that your brand remains yours, safeguarding it from counterfeiters and copycats. So if you're thinking, is branding that big of a deal? You bet it is. It's the difference between being a face in the crowd and being the face of the crowd. You've got your product and you've got your strategy. Now, how do you make sure your product stands out in the vast Amazon marketplace? It's all about optimizing that listing. Listen up. Amazon is a jungle, and your product listing is your beacon. It's what draws customers to your product amidst a sea of options. So how do you make it shine? Let's break it down. Keyword research. This is the backbone of your listing. Think about what potential buyers would type into the search bar. Those are your keywords. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner on Ahrefs can help you nail down the most relevant ones. Don't shy away from peeking at your competitors' listings. See what keywords they're using. It's all fair in love and e-commerce. Catchy descriptions. This is where you get to flex your creative muscles. Your description should be engaging, informative, and most importantly, clear. Remember, you're not just listing features. You're painting a picture of how this product fits into the buyer's life. Now, here's a pro tip. Amazon's algorithm loves listings that are rich in relevant keywords. But don't just stuff them in. Make sure they flow naturally within your descriptions. It's a balancing act, but when done right, it can propel your listing to the top of search results. In a nutshell, optimizing your Amazon listing is like setting up a shop window. The more appealing it is, the more foot traffic you'll get. And in the world of Amazon, foot traffic translates to clicks, and clicks translates to sales. So take the time, do the research, and craft a listing that not only represents your product, but also resonates with your target audience. And remember, this isn't a one-and-done deal. The e-commerce landscape is ever evolving. Keep your eye on trends, monitor your listing's performance, and be ready to tweak as needed. You've got your products, your brand, and your optimized listings. But what if I told you there's a way to make money on Amazon without even selling a single item? Yeah, you heard me right. Let's dive deeper into this gold mine called the Amazon Associates Program. Now, I know you've heard of affiliate marketing, but Amazon takes it to a whole new level. First off, the sheer volume of products on Amazon is staggering. From tech gadgets to fashion, books to home appliances, there's a product for every niche. And for every product, there's an opportunity for you to earn. You're not limited by category or region. The world is your oyster. Now, here's the kicker. Amazon does most of the heavy lifting. They handle the inventory, shipping, returns, and customer service. Your role? Simply guide potential buyers to the product. Every time they purchase through your link, you get a commission. It's like having a sales job where you don't have to deal with customers or products, just pure passive income. But it's not just about the money. The Amazon Associates Program offers detailed tracking and analytics. You can see which links are performing best, which products are most popular, and refine your strategy accordingly. Plus, they provide you with promotional tools, banners, and customizable links to fit your platform, be it a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. And here's the real beauty of it, the trust factor. People know Amazon. They trust Amazon. When you promote an Amazon product, you're backed by that trust. It's not some random online store. It's a global e-commerce giant. So if you're looking for the true definition of passive income, this is it. The Amazon Associates Program lets you earn while you sleep, vacation, or spend time with your loved ones. All you need is the right strategy, a platform to promote, and the drive to succeed. Starting out with the Amazon Associates Program is a breeze. Seriously, it's as straightforward as setting up an Instagram profile. Head over to the Amazon Associates homepage, hit Join Now, and bam! No hidden fees, no sneaky charges. Once you're in, Amazon hands you this unique affiliate link. This is your moneymaker. Every product you're vibing with, use this link. It's how Amazon tracks your referrals and ensures you get your piece of the pie. But here's where the magic happens. Don't just drop your link and hope for the best. Integrate it. Maybe you're writing a blog post about the top 10 summer essentials. Slide your link in there. Creating a YouTube tutorial on the best tech gadgets? There's another prime spot. Want to really ramp things up? Engage with online communities. Join forums, Facebook groups, or even Reddit threads related to your niche. Offer genuine advice. Share personal experiences. And subtly drop your link when it adds value. And hey, ever thought about collaborating? Team up with influencers or bloggers in your space. Maybe it's a joint review, a giveaway, or a webinar. The goal? Expand your reach. Remember, it's not just about the link. It's about the strategy behind it. Be consistent, be genuine, and watch as that passive income starts rolling in. The Amazon playbook is broken down. Dive in, take action, and remember, the e-commerce world is vast, but with the right moves, you can carve out your own corner. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please check out our other cool videos on this channel.